Hey guys, it's Anthony from Tech Laser. Today's our final day of Cork Week. Today we're going to be making some Cork themed phone cases. These are clear plastic phone cases. All we did was engrave and cut our design. For this project we've used our 0.8mm thick cork. We engraved and cut our design in the Speedy 400. We didn't actually glue the cork inside the phone cases. For this application, these are interchangeable. So for these three cases, we've engraved and cut our design, only this time we used some 3M adhesive on the back of the cork. We peeled our 3M adhesive and glued it onto our plastic phone covers. For our final phone case, we 3D printed it using a file we got from thingiverse.com. We engraved our design into the 3D printed phone case. We then cut our design out with the cork. We then peeled off our 3M adhesive and then inlaid it into the case. So with a combination of cutting and engraving, you can get some pretty unique designs for your phone cases. That's it for Cork Week, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments below.